Hey everyone, Scott with G-Reviews to review the AimTom Portable Solar Charger, the 60-watt version. Let's do it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the review of the AimTom Solar Charger. If you have a portable power station, or if you just want a solar panel that charges your USB powered devices, this is a great option for you. So what is great about this particular solar panel? Well, for one, it's really portable. As you can see, it comes in a very nice, it's almost, I was going to say it comes in a travel case, but it's not actually a travel case. It is the travel case. The solar panel folds up into this nice package, and again, it has this nice carry handle to take around with you. The second main reason is because it is very good quality. It feels very good. All these stitches, I've had this thing for about a week now, and I've been actually using it quite a bit with my AimTom power station as well. So this thing is going to do a couple different things for you. So you can use it to charge a portable power station or other types of things. You can actually use it to directly charge a battery. They include gator clips for charging batteries. You can use it to directly charge a laptop. And actually in the case, they actually include about 10 different laptop connectors. So they include Sony Vaio, Toshiba, IBM, Dell, Asus, HP, just to name a few, ThinkPad, Lenovo. They actually include all those tips for those different laptops. So you can actually plug this directly into a bunch of different manufacturers of laptops, which is really cool. The next thing that makes this solar panel kind of better than others, from what I've seen, this uses what's called sun power solar panels or solar cells. It's the exact same solar cells that's used in Goal Zero products. That is one of their kind of competitors in the marketplace. And these solar cells in this one are supposed to be 22% high efficiency. Some solar panels are about 15% solar efficiency. This does 22% solar efficiency. So that's a really great feature. So let's go ahead and just get into kind of looking around the product, and then we'll get into some of the accessories. So just looking at the actual product here again, it's just folded up real nicely. It does come up with a couple of these AimTom carabiner clips for clipping onto fences, things like that. And I will go ahead and show you that later on in the video on how I actually use this guy. So where do you actually plug in the USBs or the power? It's right here. So in the back, we have a couple different connectors. So this is the proprietary connector that goes to, again, whether it's laptops, power stations, things like that. And then we also have a USB port right there. And again, it does work very well. You can just plug devices directly into this USB, and it'll charge them up directly. Let's go ahead and fold it. And again, it does get pretty large. So it kind of just folds out like so. And again, I really can't show you that necessarily on my desk. However, you can get a good close-up view of the actual panels themselves. Again, they do appear to be very good quality. I've been charging my power station for about a week now, and I've had some really good results with it. And I'll show you those, share those with you in a second. All right, but before I go ahead and share the results with you, let's just look at the things that are included. Obviously, you've got your owner's manual, and it kind of tells you, explains a little bit about the solar panel. The other things that comes with the solar panel are obviously all the different types of cables. So this is the main cable that I've been using because it's the longest, and I put my solar panel outside the house and actually run the cord inside or under the door. You've got these two connectors here, which you can actually use other solar panel, your power station, things like that. This cable will allow you to, plug in all sorts of different types of solar panels. So this includes this cable. So it includes an MC4 cable. So this one right here is going to be your SAE to clamp. So again, that's this connector here. If you're probably familiar with this connector, battery tender uses this, things like that. So you can actually plug the solar panel directly into charging a battery, right? So you have these nice clamps. This is your 10-in-1 kit. So again, it has all of the various color-coded connectors here for all the different types of laptops. So you can see those, right? So it includes that as well. And then a couple of the things. Again, this is going to be your DC to SAE connector. So it comes directly out of the solar panel. It comes into this. And then this guy, you could plug in the alligator clamps, right, into this to charge up a battery or otherwise. These are both DC to DC cables. So let's go ahead and check out the setup outside, and I'll share some of my results with you. All right, so here is my current setup with the AimTom solar panel and the Raptor power station. So currently, I've got my power station inside. As you can see, it is charging. It's at 90% right now. And right now I have it plugged into the solar panel, which is outside, and I'll show you that in just a moment. So let me just kind of walk you through some of the results that I've had. So I have had numerous cloudy days and numerous sunny days. So I have a good range of different testing conditions. The best that I've seen is this power station go from about 60% to almost 100% in one day. So again, I would say that's probably, it charged about 35%. And again, how you angle the panels matters a lot. So, you know, if it's not in direct sunlight, it's not gonna charge, you know, that well. The other thing I've noticed is also, you can't have the panels behind glass because that glass reflects a lot of the UV rays. So that's just another thing to kind of keep in mind when you're using solar panels, kind of just in general. But let me go ahead and show you outside and show you how I have it all connected up. All right, guys, so this is the solar panel outside. This is the 60-watt power panel by AimTom. And again, what I've got is I have the clips that are supplied with the power panel. I've got those clipped to a fence. Again, here's your AimTom solar charger. I just kind of have this tucked in here just so, again, it doesn't flop in the way or get in the way of any of the panels, right? So again, I have the cord connected, which runs inside the house and charges the actual Raptor itself. And then again, here are the solar panels. And then on the bottom, really nice that they have these little grommets, so you can go ahead and put, you know, something in there to actually tie it off. Because again, I did have it just flat on the fence for a day, and it really didn't do very well. But I think this is really ideal because again, we've got panels at different angles. So no matter kind of where the sunlight is in the sky, we're always gonna have a panel kind of facing directly toward the sun. So I think that's really ideal. And then again, all I have here is a bungee cord. And then I have the bungee cord and a stake in the ground on both sides of the panel. I've also heard that having it flat on the ground is also pretty good. But again, I think this really will do a pretty good job. And again, just note it is winter time. So I know, right? It looks like wintertime, but it is wintertime, so it's a little bit colder, and there's not as much sunlight as in summertime. So that may affect how much it charges. But again, anywhere from 35 to 40% is the best I've seen this charge in a full day. And I'm talking like 9 a.m. to about 5 p.m. So that's a lot of time, and it charged about 40%, which I think is pretty good. So a couple days you'll have that the 540 watt hour power station fully charged. And again, that is the biggest one that they have. So if you had a smaller power station, you could actually expect this 60-watt solar panel to actually charge it even better than that. Subscribe with your reviews. If you guys have any questions on any of the AimTom products, I do have some experience with them now. Overall, I really rate this solar panel. I mean, it's very good. It uses the exact same solar cells as the Goal Zero company. They're all built in the United States. So again, very good quality. Let's see, there's a little bit of wind. Didn't affect it at all. But overall, I mean, it does feel very good quality. I think these panels will last a good long time. And overall, I'm just very happy and pleased with the package. Everything is stitched together very nicely, and it folds up very well as well. So again, Scott with your reviews. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on it, please let me know. Or if you want to go check out AimTom, I'll leave a link in the description to their website. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.